Good morning everyone. So it's currently the 21st of September, which is the second week. So basically my first week was induction week, where I literally had one day online of uni. So I didn't vlog that week, and it was our freshers week, but basically our freshers week was pretty much cancelled, so we didn't really have, well, there was some virtual events but nobody went to them, so we kind of just did our own thing, and I spent the week just settling in. But now I'm on to my first week of uni, so I wanted to start vlogging again. So today I basically need to get all my last bits for my course. So I'm going to go to the shops, and they have like a uni shop, so I'm going to go to the uni and go and get the stuff I need. And yeah, so just getting ready really. And then we just got sent our first like assignment thing, which is kind of different. So I need to start that, and I'll do that in a bit. And then I need to do some washing, or maybe I'll take you with me. You're going to be so impressed. I can actually use the washing machine. It's so easy, you literally just press a button, so it's perfect for me. I went to Wilko yesterday and got this mirror. How good is it? It hangs over the door, so I have a long mirror now, so I made up for that. Okay, what else can I show you? Oh, I got a bag for uni, so this is my bag. Because I didn't actually have like a rucksack or anything, so I went to the shop yesterday and got one. So yeah, I also need to do a room tour because I still haven't done that. Yeah, I'm now on my 4th week and I still haven't done that. Also, can we not talk about my skin? I know I mention it in every video, but it's just getting worse and worse. And the hair as well, it's not nice, loves. I need to wash it. But yeah, so my first day is tomorrow, and I'm actually on campus tomorrow, so hopefully I can take you guys with me. Okay, so typical me, completely forgot to vlog in town. So now I'm back and I've just got my stuff. You can see it down here. I'll show you guys the stuff I had to get later. But basically, I just went to the uni art shop and got all the supplies that I needed. I ordered some on Amazon, so I've got that coming soon. But I just got the rest of it, like paints and stuff. Or paint palette, folder, because I left my folder at home. But yeah, it's so hot in here. And now I'm just eating my lunch. I'll show you my lunch. I'm having, can we just ignore the mess by the way? I'm in the middle of drawing. Yes, I'm having marmalade on toast for lunch. So gonna enjoy that with a nice cold glass of lemonade. Then once I finish lunch, I'm gonna go down to the laundry room and do some washing. Okay, while I'm here, I'm actually going to show you my kitchen and stuff, so I'll go out there now and show you. So this is the kitchen. I'll show you guys. We have like a fridge here, and then we have 2 freezers, which is really annoying because we don't have enough fridge space. Well, we have enough, but like it would be better if we had more fridge than freezer. So yeah, and then we'll have like our individual locked cupboards. I feel like I already showed you this in my moving in day video, but anyway. Good morning everyone. So today is now Tuesday and it's my first day of uni today. So I'm just getting ready now, doing my makeup, gonna curl my hair up. Every morning at 8 o'clock we now get set like a task. It's called like a 5-minute challenge, I think. So today's challenge was, let me tell you. If blue is blackcurrant and yellow is lemon, what does grey taste like? So we have to create like a response to that in like 5 to 10 minutes, which is really difficult, you know. So I need to start thinking about that. At 10 o'clock I've got a online lecture here, so I need to be on that at 10 o'clock until 11, and at 12 o'clock I'm actually in the uni. So I'll hopefully take you guys along with me if I can vlog there. I'm so shy, okay, like this is my first day. I'll try and vlog as much as I can. But yeah, I'm really excited about it. You know what's really exciting as well? This morning we have free breakfast. If we go down to the bus stop, like at reception, they're giving out free breakfast. So it's perfect. So yeah, I'll see you guys in a bit. It's now the next day and I'm aware that I didn't film a lot of clips in the uni. Literally 2 clips that were so short. but I was so nervous. Basically yesterday I was set a lot of work, so I know it's not an excuse, but I've been working a lot, so that's why I haven't really filmed like after and stuff. Yes, I'm just eating my breakfast now. I've mixed cream and cinnamon thingy. It's a bit weird, but anyway, it's quite nice. So first day. So basically, my group are doing like typography at the moment. So they gave us like, I'll show you, different kinds of papers with different like, yeah, you get what I mean. Like the different patterns of grid. Is that what it's called? Grid? Yeah, grid paper. Yeah, that's right. And we basically had to like create our own typography. Now what we have to do is like finalise which experiment we liked and then write a word using our typography. For you who are not interested in art or graphic design, this is probably really boring, but anyway, I just thought I'd tell you. And then we get another project for typography today. Okay, so I actually forgot to film a lot today, and now it's like 10:30, isn't it? Yeah. And me and George just went to McDonald's. A little spontaneous trip. Seems to be a regular occurrence.
Yeah, we go too much.
Yeah, so we're going to be skint very quick, but anyway. Good morning. I feel like I just end up filming every morning and then forgetting to film the rest of the day, but anyway, here I am. So today I am back into uni. So I start at 10. It's now 10 to 9, so I need to get the bus. I think I'm going to get it quite early so that we can just get there and hang around. And yeah, so I'm so exhausted. You probably just saw the clip from last night. Me and George decided to go on a late night Mackie trip. Mackie's trip. Mackie's trip. I can't even talk anymore. Anyway, so yesterday I was just here all day working. It's kind of a stressful day. I feel like it's quite a shock to the system to be back in like straight away with a lot of work. Like suddenly, like we've gone from nothing for ages and then suddenly, bam, like it's so much work. So yeah, that was kind of like a stressful thing for me. So that's why I didn't really film a lot yesterday, because it was kind of just me stressing all day and it wasn't really that interesting. But I can tell you what I did. So basically, I told you the guys I'm working on a typography project. I'm not even sure if you can hear me because it's sound. Hang on. There we go. So I'm doing typography at the moment, and so yeah, this is my outfit. So basically, I'm wearing urban skater jeans, Air Forces, Primark, which I tied over myself. And then Primark again, Shein, I think Claire's one. So yeah, I didn't film any more yesterday in the uni, so that was great. And then when I came home, I would have vlogged, but sadly I got some upsetting news. So in the evening, my mum and dad and sister came up, and like I didn't know they was coming, so when my mum said she was outside I got so excited, and then when I went to the door, my family were just really upset, and sadly we got the news that Dave had to be put down. None of you know who Dave is. He's my dog who we've had for 10 years. And yeah, so yesterday he had to be put down in the afternoon. Feeling upset still. It's hard, I don't know what to say, you know. It's just been really difficult. I'm really glad that they came up to tell me, because I think if I'd found out over FaceTime or call and had been on my own, but obviously I have my friends here too, but being without my family anyway and then finding that out wouldn't have been the nicest. Yeah, that's basically, I don't know what to say, you know. He'd been a little bit poorly, but I didn't realise it was that bad. It hurts to know that he's not here anymore. But then I now have like no eyelashes left. Look at this. It's not nice. But yeah. So it's safe to say that the first week of uni was definitely tough. I mean, I got given a lot of work. Well, it wasn't so much a lot, it's just the amount that's coming in and how quickly they want us to get it done. I had a workshop in the afternoon for InDesign, so that was really interesting. And so I'm glad that I had, you know, something today to kind of take my mind off of things, and I'm glad that I enjoyed it because it kind of, you know, gave me something to be happy about. I just want to say a big thank you to everyone who's been really supportive. Obviously all my family, my friends here, my friends at home, just everyone who's sent me messages, and especially Maisie, my uni friend Maisie came around and brought me chocolate earlier, so thanks Maisie. And hopefully she'll be in some of the videos soon, but basically it's my fault because I'm just too shy to like film in public at the moment, like getting used to a new place and then vlogging in public. It's kind of scary. I didn't really explain what happened here, but Holly came for the weekend.
Because I look shit in all your vlog bits. I actually do.
Okay, so it's Sunday now. Oh my god, I'm so tired. Me, Holly, George, Maisie and Kieran, her boyfriend, we went out. Well, okay, so me, George and Holly, we went to Spoons in the evening and got food and drinks, and then we came back and then we decided to go, where did we go? Oh, we went to Maisie's house for a bit, then we just went walking. Yeah, and then we came back. We just walked for ages. I don't know why we walked because I don't know what we was doing. But anyway, came back about 3 AM. We had onion rings and chips and then went to sleep. So it was a good night. Yeah, Holly's just gone home. Can I miss you, Holly? I hate saying goodbye again. It's horrible. I had a really good weekend. It's so nice that you know, I kind of had something to look forward to this weekend. So I really enjoyed having Holly here and going out with my friends. So yeah, I'm gonna end the vlog here because today I basically need to catch up on all the work that I should have done. So yeah, I'm gonna do that now. Thank you guys for watching. I'm sorry if this was really boring because I don't know, it just, like, I didn't vlog in uni. I mean, it was my first week, guys, come on. Hopefully next week, or you know, I'm gonna keep trying each week. But I'll let you know how my days go, what I do, where I go, and I hope it's still interesting for you. Let me know if you have any suggestions of anything you want to see. And yeah, so if you enjoyed this video, like and subscribe, and I'll see you again next week for another video. Bye.